Hey everyone! If Hollow Knight Silksong is not launching, keeps crashing, or just won't start on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several proven solutions step by step to fix the problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library and locate Hollow Knight Silksong. Right-click on it and select Properties. On the left side, click Installed Files. Then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check for missing or corrupted files and repair them automatically. Once it's done, try launching the game again. Solution 2. Right-click Hollow Knight Silksong in your Steam library and select Properties. Go to Installed Files and click Browse Local Files. Inside the folder, locate the main executable file howlknightsilksong.exe. Right-click it and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now relaunch the game. This alone fixes crashes for many players. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it and expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Once done, restart your PC and try the game again. Solution 4. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Launch the app and go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If there's a new driver available, install it. This ensures your GPU is fully optimized for Hollow Knight Silksong. Solution 5. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and download both VC Redist x86 and VC Redist x64. Go to your Downloads folder. First, double-click VC Redist x64. Press Yes, accept the terms, wait for the installation to finish, and click Close. Don't restart yet. Next, double-click VC Redist x86. Press Yes, accept the terms, and wait for it to install. Once both are installed, restart your PC. After the restart, try launching Hollow Knight Silksong again. It should now run without issues. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Hollow Knight Silksong not launching or crashing on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.